All right, hello, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to an edition of Urban Wall Street Training. What I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and record some live trading here and live chart analysis for the next hour or so here. So just focus and try to pay attention to the best of your ability. Here we have a good entry here setting up on the the pound yen. Let's go take a look at that. All right, here. Look at the longer term pattern, 15 minutes. We have here a reversal pattern. Here on the minute chart we do as well. So what we can do here is we can potentially set up for a short position or possibly hard drop, and we'll know that just a moment here. Look, let's take a look. Here we see that we have supply and demand zone here, which is a strong area of resistance. Here we have a strong area of support in the blue, identified by the blue there. This is the 1 minute chart. Let's look at the 15-minute chart. Okay, let's zoom out a little bit. Now what we can do here is we can use our Fibonacci tool. We can draw swing high to swing low, and we have here identified the 50 and the 38. We see we had a tap at the 50, and we look to have a nice double top actually here on the 50. So we could be looking to short the pound yen. Okay, it's very easy to use this chart. As you see, after we identified the pattern, we also see here that this is the New York range. It's 9:30 a.m. Central Standard Time. The box is ended, and we have a strong area of resistance here. So we can definitely be looking to short this because all the pattern identifiers match up. The timing, the session box, the test to the 50 retracement, as well as this double top pattern. We also have in the background, we have our trading zones. This is a potential trading zone in between this red solid line and this green dotted line. The best entries are going to come up here between the purple and the green. If you see an entry set up out here within one of these two zones, that's an ideal setup. Down below, same rules apply. Okay, but due to the fact that we know the market cycle and so forth and how it handles the Asian range highs and lows, we can see this double top pattern forming here at the high of the day easily. Back to that. I'm also looking for a setup on the another entry on the Euro USD. So now what we can do here is we can identify key entry as being here. That's if we didn't get in down here, okay? Because as you see, we could have drawn this Fibonacci yesterday. Okay, it would have, of course, retested the low in here, and we could have traded it to the 50. So our ideal entry, we could have snatched some pips here by entering right here. Of course, we do have the signal in the trading zone in between the green and the gold dotted, but on the low side, that's a signal for a buy. So we could have easily drawn this Fibonacci and had our target set at the 50, been out here. Okay, that's a good, how many pips is that? That's almost 80, 90 pips bagged. All right, then we would come back later in the day, like right now, and see that it was tested to the 50 for a second time, which is a double top pattern for the day. Now we could have entered a short position here, and let me show you how we would identify our target. We can erase the previous Fibonacci, and now we can draw from the low to the high where it retraced. And now we have a target down here below. We have a target down here at the 161. Let me zoom in. We have a target down here. Okay. Another thing that's going to help you identify the absolute values are going to be going to be this identifier here. Now, the only reason I haven't entered the trade yet is because I'm waiting to see what kind of pattern setup we get out here. This next candle right here is going to be the confirmation candle. Okay. But so for now, let's just keep our previous Fibonacci up, because we don't know if that high is going to help, because the Asian range, the ranges are not legitimate strike points typically. So we're going to wait for confirmation. All right, now here's the Euro USD. I know you guys are saying, wow. Okay. How we would identify this is we would draw previous, look, take a look here. We had a turnaround at the 161. So this is how we would judge this particular trend. We'll be looking for another entry down here at the 161. Okay, guys, I definitely got to take this. All right, guys, you see here, we have that turnaround. So we'll be looking, now we can go ahead and confirm this swing high. Yeah, we can go ahead and confirm that. We have our target down here. Thank you for visiting the Urban Wall Street Family Trading page. Enjoy the template, ladies and gentlemen. Get acquainted with the template and the PowerPoint. Make them one, and you will have a lot of success here in the Forex market.